words and look who's holding the pen. You let me out of my cell and all the ink's run out of the well. I know you're frightened, but hey, just lighten up. How else you gonna see the shadows in the corner of your eyes? We've got a killer surprise. It's our thanks for all of your lies. Springing from the posters and the reel on the tape, a new dimension for us could be the seal of your fate. And all the years you left us rotting here with nothing but rejection made us bitter and cold. So give us what we wrote. I got a million things to say to someone like you. No answer to all of your selfish deeds. We are the ones you left behind to put us out of mind. You can't rewind, it's far too late for that now. Now the ink is running fast to say your prayers and hope you last, cause it's a hell of a show. And you're in the front row. Oh Henry, welcome home. You've been away for far too long. No longer sketches, distorted wretches. How could so much have happened since you left so long ago? Well, buddy, don't you know you're gonna reap what you have sown? Maybe if you blink you'll see it's all in your head, but while your eyes are closed you might just wind up dead. So make a choice and hope that I don't hear your voice, cause I'm a comet, it's the end of the line. Can't erase this time. I got a million memories of agony and pain sent down the drain like all the other drafts. You thought you really got away, but now it's time to pay. It's Judgment Day, you'll have the final laugh. Now the ink is running fast to say your prayers and hope you last, cause it's a hell of a show. And you're in the front row. Oh Henry, welcome home. You've been away for far too long. Finally close, you'll see the result of what you chose. Did it have to go this way? Maybe if you'd only stayed, all this tragedy could have been prevented. But springing from the posters and the reel on the tape, a new dimension for us could be the seal of your fate. And all the years you left us rotting here with nothing but rejection made us bitter and cold. Now guess what we're owed. I got a million things to say to someone like you. No answer to all of your selfish deeds. We are the ones you left behind to put us out of mind. You can't rewind, it's far too late for that now. Now the ink is running fast to say your prayers and hope you last, cause it's a hell of a show. And you're in the front row. Oh Henry, welcome home. You've been away for far too long. Welcome home. You've been away for far too long. Welcome home. You've been away for far too long.
Send you a letter, come back home to play. But to your dismay, this isn't your day, for the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you've abandoned. Then we're dismantled or mishandled, but we won't be skipped and swayed. Wrapped within these walls, you left our souls to tremble away. The ink decays, the walls that fade, the reckoning has come the day you say. Voice has no guts, cause you replaced it with mechanical strings and torture. Move forward, this disorder till your day. I am alive. You're more than lies. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, let's go see.
These pipes that flow from the ink machine give life to a little friend. Moving on the screen, he's got 2 pointy ears and can be seen. Moving in the halls behind the scenes, he's listening and always moving, following and choosing, sending and improving. Then one day you pull the spring and you.
To initiate an invasion start to course right through your veins. You say we have no brains, we're just cartoons for your portrayal. Tell some tale about boat and sail. Sure, this inevitably unveils the fail. Splashes of eternal hate will flood the floor and clean your slate. Now we're the tools and you're the fool. Our nightmare dominates. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, let's go vaccine to cure our dirty needs. For now we must build up our machine, you dynamite. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, let's go vaccine to cure our dirty needs. For now we must build up our machine, you dynamite. Build up our machine, you dynamite. Tonight, build up our machine, you dynamite. I am aware your soul is now divine. We hear it out door with unbroken chains. So don't do it with ours like it did to our shining stars. So the fearful redemption, we're a whole new creature from the darkest side. You can't take away the pain we feel. Created as monsters to come to life. Back to life. We've come to the end now, alive but dead inside. The heart beats loud, you've joined our crowd. We are but punished serpentines. Your life with him was fun, but now the terror's only just begun. Now come with me and you will see when you're beside. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, let's go vaccine to cure our dirty needs. For now we must build up our machine, you dynamite. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, let's go vaccine to cure our dirty needs. For now we must build up our machine, you dynamite. Tonight, build up our machine, you dynamite. Tonight, build up our machine, you dynamite.
These pipes that flow from the ink machine give life to our little friend. Moving on the screen, he's got 2 pointy ears and can be seen. Moving in the halls behind the scenes, he's listening and always moving, following and choosing, standing and approving. Then one day you pull the spring and you reanimate our little Bendy. Bendy and the ink machine. In a way you've never seen. Bendy and the ink machine. Little child, all you make you scream. He's got a friend named Boris that loves to play that good old music from the day. In a big large band with all his friends, the clarinet was there for him till the end. With a hoot and a toot, that's all he'd play. But now he's put up on